Hello and welcome to my channel. Well, the other day I was playing with a yarn and I was thinking, okay, if I do this, how the stitch might look. I don't know if, I'm sure there is a stitch like this, but I don't know the name. I never saw no one, anyone doing so. If some of you know the name of the stitch, can you please tell me and I will put it in the title. So this is well, they look the same, the front and the back, but I was thinking this is a nice stitch to do a scarf, a blanket, a hat. It's kind of thick, especially if you work with chunky yarn. And I made a small sample here too, a little bit darker the color. So yeah, it's a very easy stitch for especially for the beginners. So this stitch works with multiples of 2 plus 3 more. So I chain my multiples of 2, and now I'm gonna chain 3 more, and I will tell you to leave the third one that you're gonna do, leave it a little bit loose. So now we're gonna work in the third chain from the hook. We're gonna skip this one, the first, the second, and in the third we're gonna do double crochet, and we're gonna do double crochet in all chains until the end of the row. So you move to the next chain and you do a double crochet, and we're gonna do double crochet in all the chains across the row. It's a very easy stitch. Let's say we're gonna work with the front post double crochet, a normal double crochet, and then 1/2 double crochet at the end of the row. But usually the whole thing is gonna be worked with from front post double crochet and a normal double crochet. Okay. I don't know the name. I'm sure someone did this stitch before and it has a name, but I have no idea. I was playing with the yarn the other day and they go, okay, this is fine, it looks nice, and especially for a scarf, and I'm not in a mood to make another scarf, to be honest. Maybe later. Okay, so we did oh, not yet. I'm gonna do in the last chain a double crochet. Okay, and we're gonna chain 2. We always gonna chain 2, and I will suggest, okay, you do the first one and the second, leave it a little bit loose. Turn your work, and now we're gonna ignore this first double crochet. We're gonna move to the next one, the second one, yarn over the hook, and we're gonna do a front post double crochet and make this loop a little bit higher. Then we're gonna move to the top, the next one. Well, in a way you're gonna skip the one behind this front post. So the one that you're gonna skip, the front post, it covers. So we're gonna move to the next one here, and we're gonna do a normal double crochet. Then the double crochet it's here, so we're gonna skip this one and we're gonna move to this one on the bottom. And we're gonna do a front post. Again, leave this a little bit high. And the one that you're gonna skip, it's behind, it's hiding, So the next one, it's this one. So we're gonna do a double crochet. Okay. Now we're gonna move to this one. We're gonna go and do a front post, double crochet, and then you see it's the one that you're gonna skip, it's here, covers the front post. So the next one is here. We're gonna do a double crochet. It's 1 row repeat, it's very easy. Again, we're gonna skip this one and we're gonna go in this one and we're gonna do a front post. And then the next one is here, on top here. We're gonna go on top of that double crochet and do a double crochet. And again, we're gonna move to the next one on the bottom, let's say. So we're gonna do a front post. Okay, and now we're gonna go the next this one, and we're gonna do a double crochet. Okay, yarn over the hook, and now we're gonna go to this one, and we're gonna do a front post. Okay, and now you have this double crochet, the last one. We're gonna go on top of her, and we're gonna do a normal double crochet. And here, that's why I said the last chain that you do, leave it loose, because you have the chain 2, 1, 2, and you're gonna go on top of that chain 2, it's right here, and you're gonna do a half double crochet. No, I didn't went inside. Okay, so you're gonna do a half double crochet, chain 2. Again, leave this one loose a little bit, because you're gonna poke in this one when you return. So again, we're gonna ignore this one we're gonna ignore, and we're gonna move to this one, and we're gonna do a front post. Yarn over the hook. The one that you're gonna skip, it's right behind the front post, so the next one, it's here. We're gonna do a double crochet. Okay, then we're gonna move to this one, and we're gonna do a front post. And then the one that you're gonna skip, the front post, it's behind it, it's hidden. So the one that you're gonna do a normal double crochet, it's kind of in the background. Yeah, the next one, it's here. I'm gonna do a double crochet, yarn over the hook, and then we're gonna move to this one to do a front post. Okay, and you're gonna skip the one behind the front post, and it's right here, this double crochet that it's kind of in the background, and we're gonna do a double crochet, yarn over the hook. So you have the double crochet here, so you're gonna move to this one, and we're gonna do a front post, and the one that you're gonna skip is behind this front post, and it's this one that we have to do a double crochet, yarn over the hook, and again we're gonna move to this one, and we're gonna go in there, and we're gonna do a front post. The next one, it's here. I'm gonna do a double crochet, normal one. The next one, it's here. We're gonna do a front post, and the next one, a normal double crochet. It's right here. You know, it's kind of hiding. It's in the background. It's like if she's punished. Yarn over the hook, and you have the chained 2. Yeah, this is the first, and this is the second, right here. You go on top of the second, and you do a half double crochet to have a nice edge. Yeah, that's why I said, like, you do it, you chain 2, and the second one, leave it a little bit loose, because it's going to be easy to poke into it. It's going to look like this. So again, we're going to ignore this one here, and we're going to go to the second one, let's say, and we're going to do a front post, and it's like this, on and on. So the next one, it's here. The one that you're going to skip, it's right behind the front post. Going to go in there, do a normal double crochet. Then again, you're going to move to this one, and you're going to do a front post. The next one, it's here, the double crochet that it's in the background, and you do a normal double crochet, yarn over the hook. So, you know, you have this, the double crochet, then you're going to move to the next one to do a front post. And then the next one, it's here. Okay, move to the next one, and we do a front post, double crochet. Then the next one, it's here. We do a normal double crochet. Move to this one. The next one, it's here, a normal double crochet. You go on top of there, and you do a double crochet. Then we move to the next one, and it's a front post. and then the one behind the double crochet we're gonna go on top there, and we do a double crochet, and then we have the chain 2, 1, 2. You're gonna go on top of the second, go in there, not in the space, yeah, just go on top of the, and grab 2 to have those, you know, to have the V, and do a half double crochet, then chain 2, and again leave this a little bit loose. When you return, it's gonna be easy. So kind of that's it. Okay, I'm gonna do one more row with you and I will stop. So we're gonna ignore this, leave it alone, go into the second one. So we're gonna do a front post, double crochet, then we're gonna move to the next one, and it's a double crochet. Then we're gonna move to the next one, and we're gonna do a front post, and then the one in the back, we're gonna go on top of it, and we're gonna do a double crochet, yarn over the hook, and we're gonna move to the next one, and we're gonna do a front post. The next one is here, kind of hiding in the back, do a double crochet, yeah, move to the next one, and we're gonna do a front post. Yeah, you have to do the front post a little bit tall, because that is the one that will give you the, well, the look. So we're gonna go next to this one, and we're gonna do a normal double crochet, yarn over the hook, and we move to the next, and we do a front post, then the one in the back. Like I said, the one that you're gonna skip, it's the front post, it's hiding, yeah, it's right behind this one. So we're gonna go to the next, and we're gonna do a double crochet, yarn over the hook, and then the next one is here, we're gonna do a front post, and the one in the back, the double crochet right here, we're gonna go on top, we're gonna do one double crochet, and then find the chain 2, 1, 2, and go on top of the second chain and do a half double crochet, then chain 1, and again leave this a little bit loose, it's gonna be easy to poke into it, and it looks like this, really nice. So if you like to do this for blankets, I think for scarves are nice, even hats, they're really nice, this stitch. So if you know the name of this stitch, some of you, please tell me, and to put it in the title or in the description box. Yeah. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Well, have a great day. Bye.